Hello everyone, welcome to DHS Informatics. Today in this video, I will take you through one of the important IEEE project on cyber security, that is social network based privacy preserving criminal suspect sensing. Before moving on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and click on bell icon to get more updates on these kind of projects. So this is the base paper on Feb 2020, social network based privacy preserving criminal suspect sensing. Abstract of the base paper goes like this. With the development of online social networks, many criminal suspects use social network to communicate with each other, say for example Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. In order to obtain valuable criminal clues, considerable research works have been done to analyze criminal suspects through social media. However, most of them did not pay much attention on privacy preserving problems, which may leak some sensitive information in the analysis process. So, the main approach of this base paper is to give some solutions to these kind of problems. Our project comes under the domain cyber security or social network security. Social networking is the practice of expanding the number of one's business and social contacts by making connections through individuals, often through social media sites such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. Based on the 6 degrees of separation concept, social networking establishes interconnected online that help people make contacts that would be good for them to know. So this is the existing system. Web-based services are used to extract the significant information from large quantity of data. Say for example, Facebook is the most popular social networking site in which millions of people have opened their user account. Facebook provides all type of services like adding friends, recommending friends, sharing of images, audio and video, etc. But Facebook also provides facility for the user to post the message on wall. So there is possibility that posted message could be vulgar or offensive one, which may cause serious problems like harassing or blackmailing can also happen. It means instead of all those advantages, there are some disadvantages with social networking sites. So these are some of the disadvantages of existing system. No implementation of sensitive message pre-processing. There is no concept of bag of words. User can post any kind of message which will create conflict in society. User can catalyze some small issues and make it a big problem. So to overcome these kind of problems, we have this proposed system or this project. So the goal of the system is to prevent the user from posting sensitive data in social network, and also gives a statistics to the admin about the user who is frequently trying to post sensitive messages in social network. Social networks provide some space or area to post the status, and these kind of space is called as walls. This is the system architecture. So this side admin will give these sensitive messages, or he will input these sensitive messages, and these messages will be sent for pre-processing. Whatever the messages there in pre-processing will be now sent to Ngram Technic, and it will be formed as a bag of words. These bag of words will be categorized into three types, that is model A, model B and model C. Say it is less sensitive, medium sensitive and more sensitive. On the other hand, the user will post a message, and this message will be sent for pre-processing, and then it is formed as a bag of words. Now the bag of words will be classified whether it is a less sensitive, medium sensitive or a more sensitive message. If the message is less sensitive, then that will be posted on the user's wall. If it is more sensitive, then these set of messages or these set of statistics will be sent to the admin. Like if the user or say maybe a criminal trying to attempt or trying to put a sensitive messages multiple times, that statistics will be sent to the admin, and it will be blocked. That particular post will be blocked. So these are some of the technologies being used, that is NLP data pre-processing, bag of words, also called as Ngram technique, content based filtering system, policy based filtering system, social network friends management system, MVC architecture, that is Model View Controller architecture. Thank you for watching this video. If you have liked this video or if you have liked this concept, please do press on like button, comment below, and also subscribe to our channel to get more updates. If you want to handle your academic projects easily, you can contact to these numbers, or also you can visit to info@dhsinformatic.com to get more update. Thank you.